Who's building the network? AC Mobility Evro Ayala, 2,500 plus charging points target. The largest operator, Philippine EV spine backbone, 480 kilowatt, ultra fast in Makati. Power on wheels, mobile service across NCR. Shell partnership, 50 stations nationwide, 2025 to 2026. And the price is 35 pesos per kilowatt hour. Shell Recharge, 50 new DC hubs. Shell's own recharge network, plus AC Mobility partnerships stations, integrated into Ebro app. Coverage across Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao via the AC Mobility Shell deal. Meralco Mobem Electric, V2G pilots 2025. Distribution utility approach, vehicle to grid technology pilot in 2025. Partnered with VGreen and Green GSM. Grid integrated smart charging is Meralco's angle. The VGreen VinFast, 123 stations in 2026 January. Free charging for VinFast owners until May 2027. Good for you, VinFast owners. Now in Metro Manila, Cebu, and Davao. Target was 15,000 ports in 2025. Actual deployment is still ramping.